Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to recover a hacked MetaMask wallet. First, disconnect your device from the internet immediately to stop any ongoing unauthorized activity. This crucial step prevents further loss of your assets. Next, avoid clicking any suspicious links or approving unknown transactions, as this could worsen the situation. Finally, prepare to set up a completely new and secure MetaMask wallet for your future cryptocurrency transactions. After the initial shock, focus on securing your digital ecosystem. Change passwords for all linked accounts, especially your email and any cryptocurrency exchanges. Make sure these new passwords are strong and unique. Crucially, enable two-factor authentication on every platform where it's available. This adds a vital layer of security. If you have any remaining funds, transfer them to a new, secure wallet as quickly as possible. For advanced recovery, report the incident to MetaMask support with all available details. Also, consider reporting it to relevant cybercrime authorities in your region. To prevent future hacks, seriously consider investing in a hardware wallet. They offer superior security for your crypto assets. Remember, your seed phrase and private keys are paramount. Never, under any circumstances, share them with anyone, even if they claim to be support. To maintain long-term security, always keep your operating system and all software, including your browser and extensions, updated. These updates often contain critical security patches. Stay vigilant against phishing attempts. Always double-check URLs and sender identities before clicking anything. Remember, knowledge is power when it comes to financial security. For more insights and deals, including a book that can truly change how you think about money, check the description below. Stay safe out there.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.